Greetings everybody, Thomas is my name. Yes, it's me, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. Wow, wow, through the tunnels, past the station, feel the breeze go by. My pain, my blue, my style seems to catch an eye. Wondering how the sun each day keeps shining bright. Hear my whistle, beep, beep. Hear my whistle, beep, beep. When we come out of the dark, soon now be no time.
Right then, Thomas, it's time for you to be a really useful engine. There are lots of important jobs that must be done. Make haste now.
Yes, sir. Wow, wow, can you hear that fatal whistle humming in the air? Past the harbor, near the village, the sound is everywhere. Joyful to give a toot to folks who love me more. Hear my whistle, beep, beep. Hear my whistle, beep, beep. When we come into the town, the station is closed.
Okay, Thomas, careful on those rails now. The troublesome trucks are back at their old tricks again.
I'll be just fine, sir. No need to worry. Wow, oh wow, feel the warmth and comfort as the light bounce off the track. May catch the evening sun who's right behind my back. Slow down, take a breath and listen to my song. Hear my whistle, beep, beep. Hear my whistle, beep, beep. Coming back home to my friends, I know I belong.
Well done, Thomas. You've worked very hard today. I'll make sure you and your coaches have a good wash before tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Come on, Annie and Clarabelle, let's go home. So evening, everybody's Thomas once again. Yes, it's me, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine.